Hi guys, it's Dawn and I have some unboxings for you today. We're going to start with my Mindful Soul box. I'm really excited. Now, they don't do monthly boxes. They do, but they don't. They send you a box every month, but you get like box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Someone else orders 2 months later, they still start out box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. And if you cancel your subscription, I think you might have to start over, but I'm not sure. I haven't asked. But anyway, I'm ready to get into it. I'm really excited. I've been sick. I've had broken ribs. My best friend's parents have died. And I am lucky to have the time to do this today. And I thought, since I do have the time to do this today, I'm going to get it done. So I am going to try to sit here long enough, if I can without hurting, and get through all these boxes today. So this is my Mindful Souls box. I'm excited, very excited. And let's get into it. Let's see what we have. So I've already cut the tape. It's just easier that way. It does come in this box though, you guys, from the post. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'm going to take the paper out and I'll let you guys see it, but I don't want to see it right now. The front says, optimism is a happiness magnet. If you stay positive, good things and good people will be drawn to you. And Mary Lou Retton is quoted as saying that. Okay, and this is what it looks like inside right now. I've got my candles lit up too, so you'll probably see the glow of my candles and stuff. Okay, let's see. I'll move it down just a little bit. Move those back. Okay. So there we go. And the first thing I see, of course, is bright pink. I'm going to pull that out first. Okay. And it is so dang cute. Socks. Oh my God. Padella socks. So neat. I love them. Love them. Love them. I have a couple of outfits I can wear with these. These are great. I can't wait to put them on now. I love socks, you guys. Okay. And the socks were wrapped around a pouch. So, of course, that's going to be the first one I'm going to open. Oh, I'm so bad. I didn't even read the card. I reached right for the socks. I'll read the card in a second. Hang on. Oh, my God. Oh, my goodness. So we have glass beads on a string. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, my God. Look at that. It is gorgeous. Okay, you know what? I'm putting it on because, oh my God. I love it. Oh my God. Isn't it gorgeous? Look. And the color almost matches every outfit I have, I swear. I love this color. On the outside is teal. And this part, it's gorgeous. I can't even express to you how beautiful this is. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Wow. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. I'll read the card. I'll read the card. Because I should have done that first. It says, affirmation for forgiveness. Forgiving makes me feel light and free. I love that. And honestly, this is something I really have to work on. I do not forgive easily. Yes, that is something I will have to work on because I don't forgive easily at all. At all. Okay, which one? Oh. Keep calm and no drama. I like that. No drama llama. Loving it. Okay. Let's see. This one. Wow. This is a very thin cord. It kind of feels like leather, but it's not. Maybe a faux leather. I love the necklace, okay? It's beautiful. It's a clear quartz. And it is gorgeous. Not real hot on the string it's on. It's like string coated in something. It's weird. But I love the crystal. I like the necklace. I mean, I don't have a problem with the colors or anything. The cord is kind of weird for me. But that is beautiful. I'm loving this box, you guys. Oh my God. I mean, really? This is a great box. So this is necklace number 2. How do they? Maybe if I wrap it, I can get it in there. There we go. Okay, I had to wrap it to get back in. But that is gorgeous. I love it. What else? Oh my goodness. This feels like a bracelet. Let's see. I love the last bracelet I got. It is a bracelet. And I think it's tiger's eye. It is gorgeous, guys. Let's see. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, oh my goodness, yes. A tiger's eye bracelet. I wish you could see how it's catching the light. It's beautiful. It has flash in here. It is gorgeous. It is really gorgeous. And it's a little stretchy. Let's see. It's a nice fit for my wrist. Keep in mind I have very small wrists, but it is stretchy. It's just a tight stretch. It's not tight on my wrist, but I have really small wrists. But I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so there's that. Okay. Have another pouch. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that window. This is gorgeous. Very nice. It could be an altar piece, a palm stone. You could make it into jewelry, I suppose. But it's very thick. See, that's a pretty good thickness right there. I like this. It is beautiful. It kind of reminds me of polished carnelian. It is beautiful, and I didn't drop it. It's not over yet, but I didn't drop it. Okay, we have a fragrant essential oil. Okay. Made from botanical extracts. Huh. It's called Rain Song, so it's a mix. There's a little paper in here, so I'm going to check that out. Oh, okay. It tells you every... No, it doesn't tell you. Hang on. Maybe. Rain Song. Mood, cheerful, balance, harmony, romance, sober. Adjust body and mind. Eliminate distractions. Okay, so that's what it's supposed to do. I am not seeing ingredients for the Rain Song, which is weird because some have ingredients listed and some don't. Okay. So it's called Rain Song. It's from France. Air Revitalizer. Okay. Oh my goodness. It has some eucalyptus. Oh my God, it smells so good. I can't tell. I can separate just the eucalyptus, but it smells beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's a eucalyptus and a flower scent of some kind. Oh my God. I'm not sure. It is a beautiful mix though. I love it. And I'll probably use this hand diffuser since I have no idea what's in it and they didn't send anything to tell me. Okay. I'm checking because last time I almost got done and realized there was something in the bottom. So I have to check and there's nothing there. But this was an amazing box. And this I'm loving. As you can tell, because I already have it on. I'm very excited. There's no telling what my daughter will take from me. Which is weird because this box I kind of ordered to just be mine. But I love my baby girl. And I usually always end up sharing with her. Okay, and then we have the quartz necklace. And we have the No Drama Llama, which is adorable. We have our card. Now, I am going to read a little bit. And there you guys can see what's in the box. Yeah, okay. Blue agate slice necklace. Need an emotional lift? Love is the medicine to heal the world. And this crystal can help us return to our natural state of joy. No wonder I like it. Blue agate properties are linked with the heart chakra, which helps us heal by opening up our energy channels to unconditional love for soothing the pain and confusion that comes with the human condition. Sorry. I still have a little bit of a cough. I am very sorry. Agate can help if you find yourself in a situation where you find it difficult to forgive someone for the caused pain, despair, bitterness, and some complicated love or family relationship. The stone can help you find the necessary courage to forgive and forget. Wear agate if you feel yourself restrained, under pressure, or confined in your current obligations. I was right. It's a tiger's eye bracelet. Tiger's eye is a most ancient talisman, mysterious and powerful. Traditionally, tiger's eye was carried as an amulet against curses or ill wishing, and is known to give you courage, self-confidence, and strength of will. It shifts your outlook so you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself. Is there a new hobby you'd like to try? A solution to a problem you haven't considered? Tiger's eye connects to the solar plexus chakra to ground you in the power you need and inspire you to find the courage to pursue those ventures. These stones are profound amplifiers of energy like most quartz crystals and will boost the energy of any other crystal you use with it. That is very interesting. I did not know that tiger's eye was considered a quartz. Rain Song essential oils. Mix of lotus flowers. This type of floral essential oil is highly spiritual, given the symbol of the lotus plays in ancient Hindu and Buddhist practices. I don't know a lot about Hindu and Buddhist practices, guys, but it smells really good. The lotus flower has come to I can't say that word. Spiritual reflection, meditation, and tranquility. When an individual inhales the scent from the lotus essential oil, the body is almost always compelled to take a deep breath. This facilitates in producing a calming, relaxing experience. In fact, is considered as a natural tonic that improves overall body function. Interesting. I did not know that. I learn something new all the time. All the time. Wrapped raw clear quartz necklace. Clear quartz is a rock star among crystals. There's no better crystal for manifesting realities, programming intentions, or amplifying energies than a quartz crystal stone. That is so true. A universal healer, it links to all the chakras to provide balance and harmony. Its ability to be programmed for manifestation is unlike any other crystal. Clear quartz will purify and energize your chakra field so that your mind, your core, and your base are all working in harmony at their highest potential. You can carry it with you, meditate with it, lay with it on your body, or put it in your space. Sit quietly and hold your stone in your hands. Breathe in and feel energy fill your body. I was wondering about this because it looked a lot like carnelian, but it's not. This is red agate. In ancient times, the forces of the four elements were considered as some of the most powerful forces of the universe, and agates were justifiably linked to the earth element. Agates are universal balancing stones of subtle energies. They offer protection and are especially suitable for protection of children. Whenever needed, they can help you increase your courage as well as your creativity, and are known to be capable of enhancing your energy in waves. So is very useful when there is a need to overcome a certain difficult situation in which additional efforts and extra resources are required. Sit quietly and hold your stone in your hands. Breathe in and feel the agate's energy fill your body. Visualize your intention for your stone. That is very interesting. And the mandala socks. The word mandala derives from the Sanskrit meaning circle. The design of the mandala is supposed to be visually appealing to absorb the mind in such a way that irritating thoughts are enabled to get through, and a spiritual essence surrounds the individual observing the mandala, which in turn allows that individual a higher consciousness or awareness, almost as though being hypnotized. This allows the busy mind to take a break while the creative mind can run free. I love that. And of course, they tell you to cleanse it and energize your stones. They have a certain way they do it, or they tell you to do it. And I have a way I've done it for so many years, I'm not changing. I'm old and stuck in my ways. So there it is. I'm so impressed with this box, guys. It is quality. It really is. No kidding. And I love it. And yeah. It's about $40 a month. You can't beat the price for what you get. You buy these in a jewelry store. You buy them even in a rock shop. You're going to pay more than that for what I have here. And I love it. It makes me feel good. This is my feel good box, guys. And it definitely, as I'm talking to you, this is my feel good box. This is my me box. I don't normally share out of this box. I love it. You know, sometimes I do share, but not often. Because I ordered it as a self-care box. And I really, really like it. Really like it. So this was the Mindful Souls box number 2. And if you order, you'll get your first box, which I did last month. And this is my second box. And when your second box comes in, it will be exactly what I have here. They don't go month to month, and it's a different box every month. They go 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box. And that's just the way they do it. And I don't mind. I don't peek. I don't go online and search out box 3 or 4 or 5 or anything like that. I have no idea what I'm getting before I get it. I did research the first box and found out what their system was and everything. But after that, I want to be surprised. And I am impressed. This is beautiful. It's beautiful quality. These are black glass beads. I'm pretty sure they're glass. And then the agate slice. I love it. I love it, love it. I love this box. So if you guys haven't ordered, go check out Mindful Souls at mindfulsouls.com. mindfulsouls.com. Yeah, you can and that's their email also, at Mindful Souls. So I'm just really impressed with this box. And I guess I will see you guys in a few minutes because I'm got my Witch's Moon box to do and my Sacred Isian box to do. And I do not have my Witch's Roots box. I gifted it to my best friend whose parents died. I gifted that to her. So, she has that box, and I'm not doing an unboxing for it. So, moving on. I'm really excited about this box. I've got to get everything cleansed. And my altar will be pleased to see it. Okay, I'm going to stop this video, and I love you guys. Blessings to you all, and I will see you shortly.